Africa to Middle East, Turkey, and to Greece. So to do this kind of, which is the current migratory driver of the refugees. So yes, so that's how I thought of, and since then Marion also offered to, because we were talking about doing some Senegalese, my partner is Senegalese, so in a sense, so yeah, anyway, to do some, then Giza said, okay, I would like to you said as well, so basically, and I think someone will do a big pot of rice, Laura, so we're changing down the menu, so the menu is going to be even more like jamming, so I think it's not only migratory, but it's a jamming session of eating, like jamming music, jamming food, because we're cooking the toldes for 50 people, that's what we have to have in mind. I think this makes more sense because we can make small portions, we don't need to get tapas. Tapas, like, figure foods of different things. And it's much easier, so we don't feel overwhelmed to do big portions, so it could be normal portions. Kind of a values or principles, 13, of how to know how to eat, to drink, to dance, to dream, to work, to reflect, to, what else? The other ones, I can't remember. To listen, I think. To sleep. Yeah. So this to be loved. I forgot. Yeah. So this is based on indigenous communities. Value system or cosmovision, and Plateau Yethu specifically have taken those 13 principles and worked during COVID and trying to adapt them in their own everyday experience and reflect within Plateau Yethu and then to the wider own ecosystem. So bringing this to our assembly, we thought that some of those principles can be experienced and experimented during the 4 days we're here. And we have drinking, the tea, dancing, and the cooking. So the cooking comes as that, as a way of eat together. And also from my point of view, what it is interesting with eating together is that company, compagna, or compañero, all these words come from compagna, which means from the Latin eat together, break bread. Basically is break bread. Of making in the pot aubergines, have a little bit spicy.
No, it's fine.
And then this is their. I don't know if this is good for one night to put chicken here. I think for one night.
For one night, you want to buy the day?
What's with you?
Hot water. Hot springs.
In Greece. No one is taking medicine. You go studying medicine. Yeah, it's not fun.
No. What's up?
What's up, Castle? Showtime. On the road to Zion, train to Zion.
Mask up.
Put your mask up.
Yeah.
Mask up. We are filming me in Europe. That's what she's doing. We're going to do a documentary about it.
Yeah.
How people look at you.
Yeah, like,
Because the African shop is just there. Yeah, I think so. Let's see if it just turns. Okay, we walk again.
it can,
At least we don't.
we can jump out.
Yes, it does. It's okay.
Yeah, there's another stop here.
We're learning. Yes.
Just push it.
We're going to save it.
Perhaps you can find. I have a drum in the other side, you know? If one is coming, we take the other side.
What the
So
hell
probably
is
we
it
take
doing?
Yeah, we're doing it too much,
Oh,
right?
Don't worry, there will be another one. This other side we take.
God damn it.
That's why I like walking, because I don't get any.
We take the other side.
They lost. Okay, we lost.
Oh, that's take a picture. Wait, let her come.
Let's go back. Yeah, we run for it.
You're white. Your cable.
What is it?
Cable.
Okay.
Mario is just...
Now you have the size of that.
How many? We need the big one. Yeah, we need the big one. 5.
1 kilo is for how many
So I think we don't need to over.
So,
let's see the normalement c'est brisé les parfums. Actually,
Non, si arrive pas filmer, vous pouvez, on fait le détail. Ça là, on fait le détail de ça.
ah, c'est le détail.
On a qui finira le rôle encore.
Ouais.
Attends, ouais. Combien de kilos?
so welcome to the African shop,
Yeah.
right in Kassel, Germany. Right now, we're cooking for the harvest. So we got countries like, as you see, us from Uganda, right here. Okra from Uganda, right here. Gand egg from Uganda, right here. Chili from Uganda, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, matoke from Uganda. I don't know what is wrong with my country. It's so beautiful. Oh God, the pearl of Africa it is. Sweet potato from Uganda.
We're in the hood.
Look, Gina from Uganda. Straight into a Germany. Too much importation of our own. It's the beauty of Africa, we say.
Yeah.
Representing the pearl in a castle, Germany.
Non, j'avais déjà épluché ici dans les trucs. Bon. Si vous avez congélateur, il faut congeler.
Sinon, I will call you back.
We'll be picking that side as I'm not a good shopper because when I go, I stick forever. Alright, this one.
We need more of this, but I can't find.
Une dame gérante.
Baby.
Allemagne, 17 ans, c'est l'enfer. C'est le plus d'esclavage de la femme. Je pense que ce que je laisse ici, si je fais les mêmes activités après quand je suis parti voir en Côte d'Ivoire, les mêmes énergies en Côte d'Ivoire, je ne vis pas comme ça. Oui, c'est difficile, mais je pense aussi que là-bas aussi, nous sommes un peu paresseux. Je suis parti, moi quand même, c'est ce que j'ai constaté. Et la jeunesse aussi n'aime pas travailler.
Evet ya bu.
Yok mu? Keine.
Keine, es gibt nur die Lage und du
Nee, da.
So let's do the mathematics. How many bags you gonna carry? Huh? No, let's do the mathematics. Because you have one, these are two. These are the heavy, they're really heavy.
Okay, we will do it. We took the tram.
No. You take the tram?
Give me another one.
Yeah,
Take another one.
Where are we heading?
To Brito.
First we go to Friedrichsplatz.
We have to.
And what are you drinking right now?
Right now I'm breathing.
It's funny, huh? Go to Brito, it will be... You will die.
No, we are carrying those bags straight. I'm not stopping to have people ask me, what did you buy? What? You should have bought this. No. Straight there, put the chicken there, get up. You know?
I don't know where I can go back and see. But don't put it like this. No, this around in your...
I think some things are explainable.
Because we need...
To see who is responsible for the person.
Say hi.
Yeah, we made it.
That's the question.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be lit.
Tomorrow we're
It's
gonna
be
do
a
some
vibe.
short time
Sunday tomorrow, so
African dish, you know, things like that.
right? At noontime or
Tomorrow we take it down South Global.
Tomorrow we'll be
some South
dancing. We'll
Globian
be
food.
dancing, yeah.
that's the problem here now. It's so dry now. Normally it's green, It's like 2018. So it's,